Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Sam's Academy. Today, you are going to learn how to make multiple short video clips from a long form video to post it on Instagram as Reels, to post it on YouTube as Shorts, or anywhere like TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, or as your story or anything. Okay, so let's begin. So I will take this video. Okay, this is a podcast video with Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO, and let's convert the video into the multiple clips. So here, this will ask for the language you want to choose, templates. There are different templates available, like with different color combination and fonts. Let's uh, let's choose this one, and also it will ask for the maximum length you want for your shorts. uh, the options available are 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and auto. Let's choose auto for now, and click on the generate shorts, and it will start converting the video into the shorts. Let's see how much time it takes. So you can see the software has finished processing the video into converting the video into the clips. So there are four shorts has been created, and let's see how it looks. So here are the four shorts which has been created by the software. Is the internet is abuzz with conversation of such you can see the shorts are generated with the captions. Nadella said that SAS is dead. Now I know, that's not exactly what you said, and the internet has lost nuance over time. But India, but I love. So this is how it looks, and one can export these clips from here. You can see. Okay. Now, a follow-up question here is how does India, and one can also edit the clips, and if you want to change the uh, caption style, then you can do it from here. It's like this. This is beautiful, don't you think so? Let's skip this. Question here is how does India stay competitive as this changes? Because we look at when so once the editing is done, you can export the clips from here and go back to the projects. You can find your projects here. So whenever you want to export the clips, you can just click on the project and export the clips from here, or you can edit the clips from here. It's very easy. So you can see the software converted the long form video into multiple clips within 3 minutes. So students, you want to learn complete video editing or anything, music, maths, science, dance, or anything, you can learn uh, anything from anywhere at your home or online. Just go to samsacademy.net and just click on get started or learn here. Let me click on get started, and just fill up the form, and you can have a tutor or trainer to learn it online or offline at your place. You'll find the software link in the description below. Thank you.